my infatuation is more within the context of the metaphysical and the phenomenological aspect of mental disorder, because there's a specific type of atypicals or non-neurotypicals who have a sort of tapestry. There's a sort of interconnectivity they have with what we perceive as reality. So my infatuation is in that area itself. When you get into areas like existentialism and epistemology, one idea is solipsism, where a person goes into mania and they take on all these different sorts of philosophies. Exactly, is bipolar. Yeah.
You know, there's greens in there, as well as those beiges and the dark.
It's like a geometric reference point before, it's like a geometric foundation for drawing.
Yeah. And what it's meant to do is replicate what we see when we're standing somewhere that has a one-point perspective, like a desert.